In today's fast-paced world, our minds are constantly bombarded with information, stress, and negative thoughts. Just as our bodies need regular detoxification to stay healthy, our minds also require cleansing to maintain emotional well-being and mental clarity. Negative energy, whether from external stressors or internal worries, can weigh us down, leaving us feeling drained and unfocused. Detoxing your mind is about clearing out mental clutter, releasing negativity, and creating space for positivity and calm. With the right approach, you can reset your mindset and feel recharged. Here are 5 powerful ways to detox your mind and eliminate negative energy, helping you embrace a more balanced and peaceful life. The first step to detox your mind is practicing mindfulness. Being present in the moment allows you to break free from constant overthinking and worries about the past or future. Mindfulness involves observing your thoughts without judgment and gently guiding your focus back to the present. Start by setting aside 10 to 15 minutes a day to practice deep breathing or guided meditation. Apps or online videos can help you get started if you're new to mindfulness. This practice not only calms the mind, but also improves concentration and emotional resilience, making it easier to let go of negative energy. Another effective way to cleanse your mind is through journaling. Writing down your thoughts, worries, and emotions can help you process them and gain clarity. Journaling allows you to express what's weighing on your mind, making it easier to release negative feelings. Try setting a timer for 10 minutes and write freely without censoring yourself. You can also use gratitude journaling to shift your focus towards positive aspects of your life. By consistently writing down 3 things you're grateful for each day, you train your brain to focus on positivity and let go of negativity. Physical movement is also a powerful tool for mental detoxification. Exercise not only improves your physical health, but also releases endorphins, which help reduce stress and elevate your mood. Even light activities like yoga, walking, or stretching can promote relaxation and clear your mind. Engaging in regular physical activity improves blood flow to the brain, helping you think more clearly and feel more energized. If you're feeling overwhelmed, take a short walk in nature. The combination of movement and fresh air can quickly reset your mental state. Digital detoxing plays a crucial role in eliminating negative energy from your mind. Constant exposure to social media, news, and notifications can overwhelm your brain and create unnecessary stress. Set boundaries by limiting screen time, turning off notifications, or designating tech-free hours during your day. Instead, use that time to engage in activities that bring you joy, such as reading, drawing, or spending time with loved ones. Disconnecting from digital noise helps your mind reset and reconnect with the present moment. Lastly, surrounding yourself with positive energy is essential for mental detoxification. Negative people and environments can drain your energy without you even realizing it. Take time to evaluate your surroundings and the people you interact with regularly. Distance yourself from toxic relationships and seek out supportive, uplifting connections. Practicing affirmations and positive self-talk can also help shift your mindset. Remind yourself of your strengths, set intentions for the day, and focus on what you can control. Detoxing your mind is not a one-time event, but a continuous process of letting go and making space for positivity. By incorporating mindfulness, journaling, physical activity, digital detoxing, and positive environments into your routine, you can eliminate negative energy and create a more peaceful mindset. Small, consistent actions have the power to transform your mental well-being, helping you feel lighter, recharged, and ready to face each day with clarity. Prioritize your mental health, and you'll discover how a refreshed mind can lead to a happier, more balanced life.